like, he asked you to do what? Because I think that was even her thumbnail. Something about my client asked me. So it was something about her going in the basement. So I'm not going in nobody's basement. I'm not going to see nothing strange or nothing like that. And sometimes, Elbane, you can say that you want to do the signing outside, and then other times you cannot. So you don't really get to choose that sometimes, especially if you're doing long signings. You can't tell your client, hey, I need you to meet me outside. Now sometimes I will. You got to kind of know what you can do and what you cannot do. Okay. It's taking me to my notary class in California. No, you're not on the right website. It's just notaryeducators.com. notaryeducators.com. And actually, it's in the description box too. So just, you can drop down and click the link. It'll take you right there. So that's not the right website. It's notaryeducators.com. And you'll see myself, Jeffrey, and our other trainer, Alexis, all over the page. Okay? notaryeducators.com. I don't think I can type here on YouTube. But anyway, I'll hang out and make sure you find our website, notaryeducators.com. All things notary. That's it, spam. I said, oh, wait, I got a job. It says suspected spam. Sometimes I answer those. Most of the time I don't. Because it really be spam. But I could be missing money, because I remember several times I've heard people say, you should answer those calls because it might be a client. So anyway, we have 3 minutes to spare when we get to our appointment. Again, it's going to be a quickie because it's just 2 documents, literally. But I am also acting as a courier. Now, I didn't charge this person what I normally would charge because they are a family friend, being transparent. But remember, I put this whole thing together, right? 2 notaries. So Shanika did it on her side of town. She brought me the document. Now I'm taking the document and notarizing when I get here. So this job should have been way more. But, you know, sometimes you do what you got to do for friends. And I always try to get my friends a little deal. And it was so funny. So somebody called me, right? And they saw me on TikTok or whatever. And they know that we're notaries. And I said, oh, thank you for calling us. When we pull up here, I want to make sure he wants the right address. Hold on, y'all need to check this address. And then, I'll put it in the invite? Okay. I need to check this address though, because I'm seeing why it's taking you this way. Hold on, y'all, I'm coming back. And you want to also, maps? You also want to double check your addresses, guys. Yeah, that's correct. When you are going somewhere, because 2 weeks ago we went to an address, it said way, and it was actually drive. But it ended up being that we were on the right street, but the address of the house that we kept going to, because we went there twice, the number was exactly the same as the house that we were going to. So the neighbor knew about it. He said he was gonna go down there and talk to him. I don't know what that was about, but it happened. So we went to the same address twice, which was wrong. And we were like, well, the guy on the phone is saying, well, my parents have a burgundy car. Oh, that felt weird. Coming up a hill. He said they have a burgundy car, but we didn't see a burgundy car in this driveway. So anyway, they had the same exact address, so it was really weird. So he said, I'm gonna go down there. I told him, I said, well, just be a little careful. Okay, let's get y'all comments right here. Oops, this road is really hilly today. Felicia, hey Felicia, how are you? Felicia says, hello, I've ordered the book. I have to get my stamp ordered. I love your bow. This flower. I have pink in my pants today. I have a little pink in my pants, but I usually don't wear black a lot. It's rare that I wear black. Like, I gotta have some color somewhere. So thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, this is one of my favorites actually. And thank you for ordering the book, Felicia. What state are you in? We look forward to having you in mentorship. What state are you in? Katrisa says, found it. Thank you. Yeah, play around with the website and take your time. You have 2 options. You have a $27 or $47. And while you're looking at it now, if you have a question, I'll hang out a few more seconds to answer it for you. And I am getting ready to wrap up because we got to go to this appointment. We should be arriving any minute. Tennessee in the house. Okay, Chattanooga, you're our neighbor. What's up, Felicia? We love Chattanooga. It's so beautiful driving through there. Yeah, it's really beautiful driving through Tennessee, like 2 hours from us. I love living here in Georgia because everything is kind of like we can be in several states in 2 hours. We could be to Florida in 2 hours. We can be to North Carolina in two, South Carolina in two. What other state do we border, Joe? Florida, 4 hours to Florida line. South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee. Oh, Alabama. We could be to Alabama in 2 hours too. Yep, Birmingham, baby, in 2 hours. So I love living here, and I love car trips, road trips. So I'm not a big person that like to get on the airplane, but I love road trips. So that's another reason why I love living where we are. 6 hours to New Orleans. So anyway, all that being said, so many people keep joining. Guys, I need to wrap this up. Any last questions? Any last questions? Because I have to wrap up. We are going into our appointment in about 2 minutes. Okay? 2 minutes. So I know y'all keep joining, but I gotta wrap it up. What other questions do we have today? I forgot what we started talking about this morning. We had so much going on. What was the main topic today? Forgot what it was. But anyway, when is your next live? Alicia, I go live when I can. I don't have a set schedule, unfortunately. I have to do it around my work. So this morning I knew I had this appointment. I had a few minutes. I got dressed and I watched the news and I did all my normal morning routine. And I said, let me go live. Because when I get back tonight, I have a course I have to film. And I got a few things I got to do. So thank you, Martha. You have a good day too. I'll see you over in chat or in sessions, okay? Yeah, so I'm going to get out of here. So I don't know when it will be, but just look for me sometime tomorrow. Usually it's a little earlier in the day because in the evening is when my appointments really start popping. So I try to do my lives before my clients wake up. All right, guys. I'll see y'all soon, okay? All things notary, notaryeducators.com. Until next time. Bye.